Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush the Discovery Boss here with another video, another new development. This time we're close to the ocean, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so another new development. This is a residential apartment complex, a luxury apartment complex, and by the view of the ocean, you already know that the main selling point will be ocean view, beachfront property. So this is where we're at today. So it's close to Carib Cement, it's close to the Jamaica Flora Mills as well. And you know the funny thing, while it's in an inner city community, the prices for this apartment is still high. The starting price is still over 40 mil because obviously they're charging for the view, the ocean, the beachfront, and then the luxury amenity. I think it's a good use of the land though. It was an empty land for years, so it's a good use, and a lot of persons keep saying that they need some apartment along, you know, the coastline. So this is one so far. To be honest though, I don't remember the name and they don't have a billboard up. I know I saw a video when they were breaking ground, but I tried to find back the video, tried to find back the name of the apartment, not seeing it. But I'm sure one of you guys in the comment know. But as the develop progress, I'll keep doing my research and the name will come along. If I can get a promotional video or even a picture of the finished complex, I'll get that for you as well. So they have finished foundation, they're almost finished ground floor, and they're making headways. So this is where we're at. Hey guys, so just a quick update. So I did some research on the development. So it's a $2.1 billion development, right? The company is Sherborne Limited with their CEO Michael Lake. The community that the development technically is located in is Bournemouth Gardens, and that is in Kingston 2, downtown Kingston. The name of the complex is K2 because it's located in Kingston 2. It's gonna be a 10-floor complex with a mixture of studios, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom. Prices starting at 16 mil Jamaica dollar for the studios, and it goes up to 34 mil for the 2-bedroom. They'll have up to 150 parking spaces, rooftop terrace, plunge pool, gym area. So those are some of the amenities as well. And BYD is the contractor. You know, BYD is basically Building Jamaica. So those are some of the points. I'll put the link for the article in the comments, and I'll also put the website in the comments so you guys can go over and see some of the pictures of the finished development. It's located on the Michael Manley Boulevard right here in Kingston, and obviously it's a drone shot, so I'm going to set up the drone real soon and get some aerial view of the area. There's a power plant close by as well, Jamaica Flora Mills, Carib Cement. This road leads to Arbor View to the right and the airport to the right, and I guess probably that's one of their marketing plan as well, you know, to say a few minutes from the airport. And then to the left it leads back to downtown, back to waterfront, so that's over Palisades Strip. That's over where the airport is. That's Caribbean Maritime University. Location wise, I think it's a nice location with the beachfront view. I personally think so. Design wise, I haven't seen the design yet. Alright, so we have Carib Cement, Jamaica Flour Mills, power plant to that end. then to this end it leads downtown.
That's good.